This is a station's property, so all your station's tickets can be cashed at any station's casino. The closest station's casino to the Strip is Palace Station on Sahara. It's not really walkable. I did do it a couple times, and it's just real frustrating. And they no longer have a shuttle. But anyway, it's a different story. This is more about Boulder Station. Was that a big horse race today or just another horse race? That's just another horse race. Tomorrow this place will be a zoo because playoffs for the Super Bowl. Down to the Final Four. I'm old enough to remember